Hey everyone, thanks for joining me again. In this video we're going to be covering a few more utility commands and then we're going to move on to more advanced stuff. So we already know how to use the following commands. And also switch user. These are utility commands. I'm not gonna throw the repository commands and package installation commands in here. These are the utility commands that we can currently use, and this gives us the ability to move around the file system in the terminal, to print things out, to modify some things in terms of file permissions, but we have a few more things to do. So let's start by listing this directory's contents. So let's look at the a.out file. Let's say I want to move that. I just want to move it somewhere. So how we do that is we will first create a folder. And so this is the first command we're going to learn here. It's mkdir. And this is an abbreviation for make directory. It's going to be followed by the directory that we want to create. So again, we can use an absolute position. If I wanted to put it user bin and then my directory, this would create an absolutely positioned directory. We can go one level up or 2 levels up and then create the directory. Or we can just say in the current directory, create new directory. Then if I run ls again, we can see new directory right here. So let's move a.out into new directory. So to do this, you're going to type mv, and this is an abbreviation for move, a.out space new directory / a.out. And what this is going to do is it's going to take this file, which is found in the current directory, move it into new directory / the same name. And we do need to provide the name. And then hit enter. Now if we run ls again, we see that a.out is no longer in the home directory. But if we run ls on the new directory, we can see it's in there. So that's how to move files. Now let's say we want to copy it somewhere else. So I have a directory that I created in a previous video called mydir. Let's rename that. So to rename it, you use the mv command. Then if I run ls again, we're going to see we no longer have a mydir, but we have a my second directory. So let's copy the a.out file from new directory into my second directory. And how we do this is with a command called cp, which is an abbreviation for copy. And the first argument we're going to give it is what file we want to work with. And then the second argument is going to be where we want to copy it to. So new directory / a.out, and then my second directory a.out, and hit enter. Now if we run ls on my second directory, we get this. We've got file and file2 from the previous videos, but now we've also got a.out. And if we list the new directory, we also have a.out. So now we've got 2 copies of that file, which is awesome.